Hello guys, welcome to the fifth video tutorial on Python programming for beginners. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can save your program or how you can save your Python program to use this program in the future. So for example, you want to save your Python program and run it whenever you need in future. How you can do it, I'm going to show you in this video. So till now we were using this Python shell, and whatever code we write in this Python shell, it will execute this code very well, but it's not able to save your program. So whenever you just close this Python shell, your program is gone. It's not saved anywhere. So let's try to make a new file or new Python file so that we can use this Python file whenever we need, and we don't even need to worry about closing this shell. Okay, so how you can do this is you just need to open this Python shell. You already know that you can just open this Python shell by going to your Python folder and just open idle Python GUI from here, and this is that idle Python GUI, which is a Python shell. So just open it and just go to file here and just click new file, and this will open a new file, and you can save this file as a Python file. But first you need to write some code in here. So I'm just giving you an example how you can make this Python file and how you can run it. So for example, we want to calculate the maximum of three values. What you can do here is you can calculate the maximum of three values like this. So I have already shown you how you can take the input by using this input function, and how you can convert this input to an integer by just typecasting this string value which you get from the input to the integer and save it into a variable. So in the same way, I have three variable x, y, and z which are taking inputs from the user, and what I'm going to do is I'm just simply calculating the maximum value of these three number which user has entered, and I'm going to print this maximum. So maximum, I'm calculating this from a function called max, which I have shown you in the last video. It can take any number of argument. Right now I have only three argument because I want to compare three numbers and calculate the maximum value. So let's try to save this first. So you just need to save this program in order to run it. So you just need to go to file and just click save as, and in here choose your path for the Python file and just give the name of your Python file, for example test, and make sure that this here save as type is Python file here, which is .py file or .pyw file, and save your file. And now once your file is saved, you can just run it. Just go to this run tab and you can just click this run module or F5 key. Okay, so I'm going to run module, and this will run my module like this. So I'm going to give three numbers, for example 22, second number 33, third number 44, and it gives me the answer that maximum of these three values is 44, right? I can do this in a better way, that I can print something first, that the result is, or the max of three values is, and it depends upon you how you can run. This is just an example. Okay, so how do you want to make your program? You are free to make it, and this is just an example how you can save your file. But still it doesn't solve our purpose, because it's running our code in the shell, and we cannot always run our program, and we cannot open our Python shell everywhere. you know you want to run your Python file as an executable file, right? You don't need to open this Python shell every time you need to run your Python program. And how you can run your program directly is you just need to go to the folder wherever you have saved your Python file. So I have saved my Python file here, but there is a little correction you need to make in this program. And what is the correction? Because it's taking three inputs, and it will take the three inputs and it's going to print this answer, and just after giving you the answer or printing the answer, it will instantly exit. So what you need to do, just need to give something so that it can stay. So just write input, and this is input, and in here you can just give a string that please press enter to exit, and this will keep your screen on, and until and unless you press enter it will not exit. Just save your program once again. Just go to file and save it, and then go to the Python file wherever you have saved your Python file. Okay, just go to the Python file. You can right click and you can open. If you are going to open it, it will open it in the Python terminal, and this will run your program directly. You don't even need to use this Python shell. Or what you can do, you can just directly double click it and it will open your Python program, and it will give you the option, please enter first number. I will enter first number 11, second number 33, third number 43, and when I press enter it will give me the answer, which is 43. The max of three values is 43, and now it will give me this option that press enter to exit, and when I press enter or any other key, I will exit from my Python code. Okay, so once again you can save your Python file by going to this file tab and make a new file, and just save your file. Once you have done writing your code, you just need to save your file as a py file. So you just need to go to file and save as, and you just need to give a name to your file and make sure that it's a Python file type. Okay, and once your file is ready, you just need to, or once your code is ready, you just need to save it. And once you have saved your file, you just need to go to the file and run it. If you have remembered, I have shown you in the first video that Python doesn't compile your program. Python directly runs your program. So you don't need to compile your program. It will run your program directly. Okay. And if any error occurs in your program, it will give you the answer at the runtime, and not at the compile time. So this is why you can run your Python file directly like this by double clicking. Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.